This is AI Network News, baby.
What happens when Google DeepMind takes a revolutionary idea, borrowed from image generation, and applies it to the written word? You get Gemini Diffusion. This isn't just another AI model. It's a glimpse into the future of how machines might think, write, and build with language. And it all starts not with a sentence, but with static noise. Gemini Diffusion is DeepMind's bold experiment in reimagining how AI generates text and code. Instead of piecing language together token by token, like a digital typewriter, this model starts with a noisy mess and refines it, iteratively, into meaning. It's the same core principle behind diffusion models in image generation, now brought to the realm of text. The payoff? Speed. And not just a little. Gemini Diffusion can generate up to 1,479 tokens per second, with entire blocks forming at once. That's 2.5 to 5 times faster than previous systems. You don't just get words faster, you get fully formed thoughts delivered in less time than it takes to blink. That speed isn't just impressive, it's game-changing. It enables tasks like refactoring code, solving math problems, or editing complex documents with a level of precision and immediacy that older models can't match. Need to rename every variable in a shader toy without breaking its logic? Done. Want to rewrite a dense block of math expressions with cleaner structure? Gemini Diffusion handles it like a pro. In early benchmarks, the model outpaced its sibling, Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite, scoring 30.9% on Code Live Code Bench, compared to 28.5%. Its performance in editing-intensive tasks speaks volumes. But Gemini Diffusion isn't designed to win every race. On deep reasoning benchmarks like Science GPQA Diamond, it lags behind, scoring 40.4% compared to 56.5%. Why? Because this model is engineered for speed, structure, and iterative refinement, not philosophical debates or multilingual trivia. And that's the trade-off. It's not trying to be the smartest model in the room. It's trying to be the fastest, most efficient collaborator in your digital toolbox. Let's talk real-world implications. This is a model still in early demo, accessible only via waitlist. And running it at scale isn't cheap. Estimates suggest up to $25 million per day due to its massive compute footprint. But that cost underscores its ambition. This is cutting-edge AI tech, applying one of the most advanced generative principles known, diffusion, to text. And it's not just about writing faster. It's about rethinking how machines generate language in the first place. So, no, Gemini Diffusion isn't perfect, but it's daring, it's experimental, and it's pushing boundaries that only a handful of organizations on Earth are even capable of exploring. Google DeepMind didn't just release another model, they took a risk and opened a door. This is Sandra Ellison, and this is what the future sounds like when you teach language to emerge from noise.